Muhammad Mahabad Khan III, the progressive Nawab of Junagadh. Muhammad Mahabad Khan III, born on September 2, 1900, was the Nawab of Junagadh, a princely state in British India, from 1911 until its accession to India in 1948. He is renowned for his progressive governance, contributions to the development of Junagadh, and his controversial decision during the partition of India. His reign saw significant advancements in infrastructure, education, and animal conservation, leaving a lasting legacy on the region. Early life and ascension to the throne. 1. Birth and family background. Muhammad Mahabad Khan III was born into the ruling family of Junagadh, a princely state in the Kathiawar Peninsula of Gujarat. His father, Nawab Rasool Khanji, was the ruling Nawab before him. Though. Education. Mahabad Khan received his early education in India and later went to England for higher studies. His exposure to Western education and ideas significantly influenced his vision for the development of Junagadh. Teen. Accession to the throne. He ascended to the throne in 1911 after the death of his father, Nawab Rasool Khanji. At the young age of 11, he became the ruler, and during his minority, the state was administered by a council of regency. Reign and development initiatives. 1. Modernization and infrastructure. Under Mahabad Khan's rule, Junagadh witnessed extensive modernization. He initiated the construction of roads, bridges, and public buildings, significantly improving the infrastructure of the state. The Nawab also introduced modern urban planning to Junagadh, which included the development of parks, gardens, and recreational facilities. Though. Education reforms. Believing in the power of education, Mahabad Khan established several schools and colleges, promoting both traditional and modern education. He was instrumental in setting up the Bahadur Khanji Library, one of the oldest libraries in the region, which remains a significant educational resource. Teen. Healthcare and social welfare. The Nawab focused on improving healthcare facilities in Junagadh. He established hospitals and clinics, providing better medical services to his subjects. His administration also worked on various social welfare programs aimed at uplifting the underprivileged sections of society. 4. Economic development. Mahabad Khan encouraged trade and industry, fostering economic growth in Junagadh. He promoted agricultural advancements and supported the establishment of industries, which provided employment and boosted the state's economy. Animal conservation. 1. Gir forest and Asiatic lions. One of Mahabad Khan's most notable contributions was his dedication to animal conservation, particularly the protection of the Asiatic lions in the Gir forest. His efforts to preserve this endangered species were pioneering and have left an enduring impact on wildlife conservation in India. Though. Establishment of wildlife sanctuaries. Under his guidance, the Gir forest was declared a protected area, and measures were implemented to ensure the conservation of the lion population. His passion for wildlife extended to the creation of other sanctuaries and protected areas in Junagadh. Political decisions and controversies. 1. Partition and accession to Pakistan. During the partition of India in 1947, Mahabad Khan made the controversial decision to accede Junagadh to Pakistan, despite its predominantly Hindu population and geographical proximity to India. This decision led to significant unrest and opposition from the local populace and the Indian government. Though. Indian annexation of Junagadh, the decision to accede to Pakistan was not implemented smoothly. Following the public outcry and pressure from the Indian government, Indian troops moved into Junagadh. A plebiscite was conducted in February 1948, resulting in an overwhelming vote in favor of joining India. Subsequently, Junagadh was integrated into the Indian Union. Later life and legacy. 1. Exile and final years. After the annexation of Junagadh by India, Mahabad Khan went into exile in Pakistan. He spent his remaining years in Karachi, where he passed away on November 7, 1959. Though. Legacy. Muhammad Mahabad Khan II's reign is remembered for his progressive vision and contributions to the development of Junagadh. His efforts in education, healthcare, infrastructure, and animal conservation had a lasting impact on the region. Despite the controversy surrounding his political decisions during the partition, his developmental initiatives continue to be recognized and appreciated. Muhammad Mahabad Khan IIAS life was a blend of visionary leadership and controversial decisions. As the Nawab of Junagadh, he transformed the state through modernization, education, healthcare, and wildlife conservation. While his decision to accede to Pakistan remains a contentious part of his legacy, his contributions to the development of Junagadh and his pioneering efforts in conservation are celebrated. His reign serves as a testament to the complexities of princely state politics during India's partition and the enduring impact of visionary governance.